everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, there is some new coupons to print. Now it looks like Rimmel reset again. Sorry, Miss Charlotte's talking to the cat in the background. But so far I only see the this reset for the third time for me. But it looks like it's just the eye unless I scoot down and find some more. But definitely print those off. Those are really good coupons and I think they last for a month. So yes. Okay, so I'm just going to skip all this stuff. You got Claritin, Flonase, Allegra, Clorox, all that stuff is still available. But they did add some, I'm going to scoot down just a little bit, is the Tums. We got $1 off Tums. I'm going to print that off just because we got the Purina Bella dog food. I'm printing that off. I feel like there's deals on that all the time. We got Ben & Jerry's, 75 cents off at 2. Not the greatest deal, but I love Ben & Jerry's, so I'm going to print that off anyways. I rarely get Schick coupons anymore, so I don't know why, but I'm going to print those off. We got Maybelline New York, $2 off face product. We got Schick, another Schick. Miralax. Here we got more Schick, $4 off of one. Great coupon, you guys. Iodine. And then we got the Huggies. Now it's $3 for the special delivery. Yeah, I don't need that one. But here we got, okay, there's another Ben & Jerry's, but here we got $4 off the shampoo or conditioner. That's a good high value coupon. Now it's only $1 off the mouthwash, but hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. But that seems to be about it. We have the $2 off Ivory. There was an Ibotta deal. I'm going to print that off because I forgot to print it off last time. And we got 50 cents off the Fun. I know those are $1 at the Dollar Tree. The Bark, yeah. So, and there's $1.50 off the cookie. I'm going to print that off too. But one thing that did print off that I was super excited for was the Iams cat food. Now, I'm kind of pissed off because I just bought this at Walmart a couple days ago because I've never seen coupons for cat food for Iams. That's what I feed my cat. But yeah, so I'm printing the crap out of that because, yeah. So just want to give you guys a heads up. Lots of awesome coupons to print. Hopefully you guys can still get some good deals by couponing this week and we're not stuck in the house. But thanks for watching and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.